Nobody can predict when disaster will strike or when emergency survival becomes necessary, and having these essential tools and equipment will certainly help you navigate difficult situations. So relax, focus, and watch our video featuring 14 remarkable survival gear and gadgets. Survival in any rugged situation becomes easier with the smaller tools with superior outcomes. It may seem unbelievable, but it's a pry bar, a lighter, and a flashlight all in one. The pry bar is durable enough for most jobs, while the waterproof construction makes it more practical during survival. So gear up on the keychain with the Hunt 4.0. When bullets. Look, the name might seem lethal, but the tool itself is life-saving. This one is arguably the world's most potent spring-loaded window breaker and can break car windows effortlessly and lets the user escape. The tungsten carbine tip ensures a clean execution, while the stainless steel or black oxide finish makes it look sleek. The lightsaber may brutally demolish the aliens, but the lifesaver will save anyone's life during a critical situation. This do-it-all survival tool works as a UV water purifier, a flashlight with strobe effect, a plasma fire starter, and whatnot. Ran out of battery? No issue, as this one works as a hand crank generating efficient energy to keep those tools and gadgets electrified. What if a single tool did everything to start the much-needed fire? Well, from tender grating to spark generation, the Zippo Fire Starting Multi-Tool does it all. The multi-tool features 7 tools like a durable 420 carbon steel blade, a double-cut saw blade, a tender grater, paracord, a flint wheel, and other utility tools. So fire starting isn't something to worry about anymore. Seen multi-tools more or less every time, but the Leatherman Shred is a unique one to be the world's first multi-tool bracelet. Its innovative design makes the multi-tool easy to carry anywhere, while the 29 different tools will make things even more straightforward. Extendable links are available for the user's preferred size. A sleek-looking titanium multi-tool to handle the survival situation more effortlessly. Now, as it's built with a higher quality of titanium, we can rest assured about its toughness and practicality in the wilds. Then comes the usability, and the comb bar tool can handle every little situation, as it can be a hatchet, a spade, a hammer, a knife, a saw, and many more. We never know what kind of challenge we'll face next, right? So better be prepared. As its name refers, the rapid raft inflates in no time, without any external tool. How cool is that? It must say that 7 years of research was worthy of it, as the rapid raft's durability ensures an adequate weight capacity, making it more reliable. This may look like a regular carabiner, but the GPCA Carabiner Lite is more than just that. This unique titanium carabiner comes with a razor-sharp blade, a bottle opener, screwdrivers, and a secret capsule. As a result, the user doesn't have to carry a separate tool for each task, making the survival minimum and less messy. Surely multi-tools are effective during survival, but can they provide such powerful striking force as the Hawk SIG XT01? Bet they can't. This Tomahawk reflects perfection with design and quality, thanks to the collaboration of Hogue and famous gun maker Sig Sauer. S7 blade ensures a solid edge and its retention, while the G10 handle provides a firm grip to strike down everything on the way. Needless to say how a paracord can be such handy during a survival situation, right? The Zippo Surefire paracord is a minimal yet effective paracord to ease up the adventure. In addition, 8 different strands of cordage include a paraffin-coated fire starting strand. The paracord is as long as 50 feet and can provide adequate tensile strength, making it more reliable during critical situations. An amazing lightweight and handy gadget that works as a sleeping bag. a bivy sack, an emergency shelter, and whatnot. The innovative design ensures the proper heat retention of the user's body to eliminate the effect of bone-freezing cold weather. So no matter how tough the situation gets, give your body the much-needed rest in the Go Time Gear Life Bivy. In order to survive, no one can deny the necessity of accurate information about the weather and everything. And in that case, the Power A1 can be the go-to-NOAA radio that works in any environment with the most efficient power consumption. Worried about running out of power? Stop right there, because this one can be powered up in self-sufficient ways like solar and hand crank. Then comes life-saving features like the SOS button, a super bright flashlight, smartphone charging capability, and many more. The most durable, practical, and reliable knife used by the U.S. Marine Corps. The partially serrated edge and the black finish doesn't just give it the aggressive outlook, but make it a deadly one. Premium material like 1095 steel ensures a robust performance, while the grippy polymer handle makes it well suitable for the worst. No matter where the journey takes, the Pro Bar Meal Bar Variety Pack will keep you energetic for the run. The Variety Pack will enrich the taste buds with 12 different flavors while providing proper nutrition to the body. And most interestingly, they're entirely plant-based, making the meal healthier. So that was our list of the 14 amazing survival gear and gadgets.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.